Our lesson in Chinese this time is going to be about reading and writing, words that are related to reading and writing. Okay, and I have my guide over here for pronunciation because I'm just like you. I'm also a student. It takes a while to learn Chinese. It takes a lot of hard work. 6. 有 This is a character for 有, which is the number 6. Read and write in Chinese. 读写 Read, 读 write 写我读一个字母 I read a letter. Let's say that again. 我读一个字母 I read a letter. In Chinese, you always encounter measure words. What are measure words? Those are the words that you add after a number. For example, number 1 or a, to just show what kind of nouns they are, what kind of objects they are. It really takes a lot of practice and listening and reading and writing to be able to get familiar with these measure words. And in this manner, they always precede the noun. They are after the number, but they always precede the noun. For example, 一个字 a word, 一个字 a word, one word. 一朵花 一个句子 a sentence. 一function 一 function a letter 一 function a letter. 一本书 it's a high right here. 一本书 a book. As you can see over here, all of these 本 feng 个 ju, all of those words are measure words, and you'll encounter them a lot in Chinese. How do we say I write a letter? Okay, this can be a challenge. 我是一个字母 我是一个字母 I noticed that right here, the accent is actually not correct because it should have been the, what we call circumflex, or circumflex or brev, that looks a lot like the one here in 我. So it sounds like 我是一个字母我是一个字母 I write a letter. So there's a little bit of change over here that needs to be done. Okay, there's patterns to watch for in Chinese. When you say you read, you write 你读 你写 you read 你读 you write 你写 She reads and she writes. Now, the word 他 could mean he or she in Chinese, because gender is usually only known from the context. When you listen well, then you'll know whether they're talking about he or she. So this time I used she just because. She reads 她读 She writes 她写她读 她写 She reads, she writes.